Granville County, Wake County, Durham County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Milton to 6 miles east of Goldston, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Oxford, Roxborough, Creedmoor, Wake Forest, Garner, and Fuquay Arena. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. This is a dangerous situation.
What?
These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Alamance and Chatham counties. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure.
This is a PDS SVR.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, Person, and Wake.